Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KP Education Nest. Today's topic is about how to represent few numbers on a number line using the method linear magnification. This is the new topic in 9th class. So this is the topic of class 9 CBSE Maths. So I took the first example as example 1 as 3.765. In few cases we will have even few examples where there is a bar. So first I will explain you the bar sums in the next example. So first I took without bar and with decimal point. So in this case I took the example as 3.765. Here I drew a number line in this way and we have to mark the numbers. So on. Okay, so I have to take the first digit what is there in my example question. So that is 3. Now I will mark 3 on this. Now I have to consider the second digit, that is after point, which is 7. Now again draw a number line and mark it as 3 and here 4. In between this we will get 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 and so on. These are the numbers that lie in between 3 and 4. So I wanted 3.7. The first two digits are 3.7. So I will mark 3.7 here. So the third digit is 6. So I have to mark in the next number line 3.76. So in this number line I will take 3.7, 3.8. So in between 3.7 and 3.8 we will have 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76 and so on till 3.79. So these are the numbers between 3.7 and 3.8. Now in the question I wanted 3.76. The first three digits are 3.76. So here I will mark 3.76 is here. So I will mark it here. So I have in the question there are three decimal points. There are 3 numbers in the decimal part and 1 in the real part. So I have completed till 3.76. Now I have to mark the 5. That is 3.765. Then my sum will be completed. So now I have to take 3.76 and 3.77. So in this 3.76 and 3.77 between these two numbers we will have numbers like 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765. So the numbers between 3.76 and 3.77 are these, and you can write it till 3.769. So those will be the numbers between this and this. So in the question they asked me to point out 3.765. So here I have 3.765. So I will round off this. This is the way how you represent 3.765 on a number line using linear magnification method. So this number line is represented in this way, and this number line in this way, and this number line is represented in this way. So they asked me to point out 3.765 on a number line, and I have pointed 3.765 on a number line. So this is how we have to do it in case of pointing out a decimal number using linear magnification with no bar. Now I will say you the second example, that is with bar. So as I said, I will take the second example with a bar. I took the bar and I have the bar only for 6 in this example. So in this case we have even a decimal point and even a bar. So in this case how do we do? I will show you now. So in this case I have took a number line. Now I have to, as I said, I have to see the first digit, that is 4. I have to mark it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as the first digit is 4, I will mark 4 over here. So this is again written as, this number line is again drawn here, again magnified over here. So here I marked 4. Now I have to observe the second digit, that is 4.2. Now here I will take 4 and the next number after 4 we will get 5, so the next number is 5. Now 4 and 5 I have taken. So the numbers between 4 and 5 will come in decimals. Those are 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6 until 4.9. So these are the numbers between 4 and 5. So as they said 4.2, these are the two digits 4.2. I got here 4.2. So I will mark it here. Now consider the next digit, that is 6 and with bar. So as we know, bar means, I will show you. Usually bar is meant if there is bar for any number, that means that digit for whichever the bar is there, that keeps on repeating, like 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, so on. So we can't mark those many times the point, right? So in the question itself, when they give a bar, they will tell up to how many decimal points you should mark. So in the question I will take it as mark till 2 points. So this number line will be again magnified into this one. So here in the question they give 4.26 bar. So as I said, 6 will be repeating. So we can't do those many times, as they gave in the question up to 2 decimal points. I will do it like this. So here I will take 4.2, and after 2 it comes 3, so I took 4.3. Now 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, and you will write so on till 4.29. So those will be the numbers between 4.2 and 4.3. Now in the question they asked 4.26 bar. So bar means nothing but repeating. So 4.26 is here. So I will mark it here. Now they said till 2 decimal points. I have done it till 1 decimal point. Did I get 1 6 in the decimal part? Yeah, I got 1, but they said 2, so I should do again. It should come as 4.266. Now I will take it as 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266. So I wrote the numbers between 4.261 and 4.262. So the last digit whatever is there, this or this, the last digit will increase in the ending. So here 1 is there, so I took here 2. Here 2 is there, so I took 3. In that way the last digit will be increasing at the last. So you can write this as 4.267, like that till 9 you can write. So in the question they asked me 4.26 bar up to 2 decimal points. So I have done my 1 decimal point. So this is my second decimal point, that is 4.266. So they said in the question indirectly that we have to mark 4.266 on a number line. So I have completed marking 4.266 on a number line. This is how you will have to represent a number with decimal point and a bar on a number line using the method linear magnification. So hope you all have understood. For more educational information on 9th Maths CBSE, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell.